Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am making soup. Guess what? My soup is red pea soup with some pigtail and chicken foot. So right now, as you can see, I am blending up my coconut. This is a real authentic coconut. Let me show you. I bought one whole coconut and I said let me just use half of it and half for next day. See, the real deal. Real coconut, no coconut powder, no coconut milk. Nothing can beat this. Okay, so I got it at the farmer's market. And in my pressure cooker, I got the red peas, I got the pigtail, and I've let the red peas and the pigtail pressured first for like 20 minutes. Then after it was pressured, like it's not fully pressured, then I put the chicken feet in it to the, you know, it's gonna make it be nice and soft. So I'm cooking some red pea soup with my coconut milk. Of course, I'm gonna put my dumpling inside there, my yam, and my sweet potato. So as soon as it's finished pressure and everything, then I will show you what it looked like, and then I will show you what we're gonna do. All right? Okay, I'm back again. Here's my pigtail and chicken foot. So it is soft. I didn't make it fully soft. And what I got is that's the dumpling there. It's some whole wheat flour. And of course what I got here is my seasoning. I got red pepper, green pepper, some chopped parsley, onion, pimento seed, and of course some thyme. Okay, so I can go ahead and pour it inside here because I'm going to just put everything in one. Okay, and then this is the flour. So one, yeah, I'm counting how many flour dumpling I'm making. Then here goes. I blend it in my Ninja blender and go ahead to pour it out. Nice, thick. Okay, it's nice and thick. Spoon that this here spoon. Okay, I can get more coconut milk from this. That I'm certain of. I can get more coconut juice from it. 100% sure if I want to use it more as yet. So white, look at it. Okay, nice and beautiful. Okay, so I might just use some more coconut milk, so I'm going to show you the process. Let me cover this in the meantime. Okay, cover it and let it. That's my Ninja. Come, so I'll get some water. Get some more juice from it. Okay, I'm gonna just get some more. Okay, there we go. Here we go. Yep, see it's boiling. Okay. So it's gonna look real nice when I'm done. So, showing you what's going on, okay? Well, this is a finishing touch. Now I'm about to share out some. Okay, this is what it look like. Okay, red pea soup. So just remember to like, comment, subscribe. Okay.